introduce ourselves as usual. I'm Ganga.
I'm Yvonne.
I'm Bryce.
Yeah. And our helpers are Deanne, Nan, and Michelle.
I was like, oh, figure it might just be easier to do that. Didn't want you to get left out.
You could give me one. That was fun.
No.
Thank you.
You want to go?
Okay. No, where should we go? Did you see Bryce?
Is that okay?
Bryce, did
Can you see still?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so before we begin, does everybody have a passport? Okay, so what you're gonna do is we're gonna go through a slideshow, and you're going to learn about 20 countries. So what you're gonna do is write about them. So you're gonna write the name of the country, the nationality, the national food, and language. So that's all you have to write. Okay? And you can write other information if you want.
Could you write those things on the board so we can remember?
Okay.
Let's see.
I don't know. Yeah, I go right here.
Okay.
I don't really have to write. Seriously, it's actually a scratch.
Okay.
So,
So you're over there.
name.
Oh, she ran me over this?
It's okay, we can't
Oh,
see
yeah,
it
yeah.
from here.
So you guys can't see it.
Laura, can you see over here, or do you want it over there?
Oh, it's okay.
Okay. So the name of the country,
Country name.
the nationality, the national dish, or the national,
The food.
I'll just write food,
Language.
and language.
Language.
Okay, so is everybody ready? Let's learn about countries, yay! Okay, so before we begin, can anybody tell me the names of the 7 continents?
The 7 continent. Okay.
Do you know, Nora?
America,
Okay, North.
Africa, Asia, Asia,
Okay.
Africa, Asia, Europe.
Yeah.
Come on. It's oh my gosh. It's in
Australia.
Australia,
And
and Antarctica.
Antarctica?
Antarctica.
very good. Okay, now let's begin. So some keywords you'll hear a lot is, the first one is country, a nation with its own government occupying a specific territory. So for example, America, Japan, Switzerland, and everything else. And feminin is actually a more fancy word for nationality, which is the name of the people living in a specific country, and usually comes from the name of the country. So for example, America is the name of the country, and so the people living there are called Americans. Okay? So you'll be seeing a lot of that. And so national dish or food is food or drink that represents a specific country. And last is language, spoken or written communication. Okay. Anybody have any questions about the keywords? No? Yay, we're going to North America. And the first country we're going to learn about is Canada. So the nationality of Canada is Canadian.
I'll keep going. So
Okay. And their national dish is, I'm sorry, I'm probably mispronouncing this, but poutine?
Poutine.
Poutine? Okay, thank you, Bryce.
Oh,
Okay.
Bryce has Canadian roots.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Poutine, eh?
what that is French fries topped with brown gravy and curd cheese.
Do you like that, Bryce?
It's pretty good. Although, I like the one where it's bacon. Bacon cheese.
And Canada has 2 languages they speak in, right? The first one is English, and the second one is French, which is, I don't think it's really too common.
Depends.
Yeah.
They're both official though.
Yeah.
Everything has to be both Canadian and French. It has to have on every side.
Mhm.
Or I mean English and French.
So I'll give you 30 seconds to write. By the way, you don't need to write the the dishes. You only have to-
Poutine. What means poutine?
French
Oh,
fries.
Yeah, French fries topped with brown gravy and
Oh,
curd
okay,
cheese.
okay.
Yeah.
Food.
Mhm.
Okay, fries, potato, brown, gravy,
You don't need to write this part down.
You could if
Just
you want.
No,
Well, you remember.
That's true.
Just ask Bryce.
Yeah, just as
I like the flag.
Thank you. And yes, the Canadian flag. Can anyone tell me what that thing is in the middle? Or anybody want to take a guess?
It's just a little
Maple leaf.
bit
Maple. Canada has lots of
maple.
maple products like maple syrup. Okay, everybody ready? Nora, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. And so here's the map of Canada. You can see here, everything in the yellow part is Canada.
Mhm.
Okay. Next is America,
United States.
or more complicated name, United States of America, or the shortened version, the USA, or US.
The real name is United States
Yes, United States of America.
because people say, "Oh, I am American." I say, "Me too. I am from
Yeah.
Venezuela, South America." The real name is United States of America.
And so people from America, they're called American. And this one was kind of really hard to kind of decide because there's like so much, so I just decided to go with hamburger.
Or hot dog, yeah.
Yeah, hot dog is another
Apple
one.
pie.
Apple pie, yeah. And this one is also another one, hard one to decide because English is like the main language, but there's also other languages too. So technically it's multilingual.
In Hawaii, it's legally English and Hawaiian.
Hawaiian Creole, right?
No, Hawaiian
Hawaiian
language.
Creole.
Hawaiian language. Like from on my diploma, I can receive my diploma in Hawaiian and or English.
So here's a fun fact. I don't know if many of you know this, but these stars on the flag represent each state. So there's 50 stars, 50 states. Anybody want to guess what the 13 stripes represent? Or no? The 13 stripes.
The first colony.
Yes, very good. The
13
first,
colony.
yes, the first 13 stripes. And here's a map of America. And here we have Hawaii, which is very small and always in a square. And over there is Alaska. And the rest of 48 states.
You look like a weather person when you do that.
And here is the west.